Hello there, and welcome to this Unity tutorial where we learn how to make a splash screen and an icon for your game. If you don't know what a splash screen is, it's basically a thing that shows your logo at the start of the game. You'll know when I preview our splash screen. So let's go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings. Let's exit out of build settings. You don't need to, but you can. And then default icon, select. I'm just gonna select this check mark. You can select your own custom art. It's a 2D texture, so just keep that in mind. And then splash image. If you're going in virtual reality, select this. I actually have 0 experience making virtual reality games, so I don't know if that works. And logos. So add plus, none sprite. I'm going to use this check mark again, and then you can choose the duration. I'm going to choose, how about, yeah, just 2. And then you can use all these other settings, but we're not going to go over that. So then I'm going to click X, or whoops, I'm going to go back because we need to preview. So let's drag this. Let's get this out of the way. Let's click preview and see, your logo will appear. Thank you for watching. If you liked, then please give a like. If you enjoyed very much, then please subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you for watching.